Welcome back to Calypso Tutorials. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your very first piece of AI-generated art using Leonardo AI. Once you've logged into your Leonardo AI account, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see different tools and options, but for now, we'll focus on image generation. Before generating an artwork, the first step is to choose a model. Leonardo offers a variety of models, from realistic photo style generators to anime, fantasy, and illustration-focused ones. Select the one that best suits the type of artwork you want to create. Now comes the heart of AI art, the prompt. A prompt is simply a text description of the image you want. The clearer and more detailed your prompt, the better your results. For example, a futuristic city skyline at sunset, cyberpunk style, glowing neon lights, highly detailed. You can also adjust settings like aspect ratio, resolution, and style strength. These help control the final output and give you more creative freedom. Once you're happy with your prompt and settings, click Generate. In a few seconds, Leonardo AI will create multiple variations of your artwork. Review them and pick your favorite. If you're not satisfied, try refining your prompt or tweaking the settings. After choosing your best result, click Download to save your masterpiece. This image is now ready to be shared, submitted, or even edited further. And that's it. You've created your first stunning AI artwork using Leonardo AI. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into prompt engineering, the secret to consistently generating amazing results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Calypso for more tutorials.